Hey, this is Amity calling from Just Answer on the Mercedes.
Yes.
Tell me what's going on.
The car's in the garage. It just clicks a couple times, and it won't start.
So you're just trying to figure out what in the world's going on, is that right?
Well, it was running before, but it's just, I haven't driven it about a week and a half. It just clicks a little, but not much.
So clicking usually indicates low system voltage.
Right.
So you probably have an issue with either the battery, or I think this thing even has a secondary or an auxiliary battery. So what I would recommend that you do is find the battery location or locations if it's got two, and I would go ahead and check the battery voltage to get started.
What do you want to check it with?
Well, the correct way to check a battery would be with a battery load tester, although you can check the surface charge with a battery or with a voltmeter.
I don't have one.
So in this case, I would recommend either you can call a mobile mechanic or a tow truck, and they can come out and pick the vehicle up and tow it to a shop. I'm sorry, say that again? Then it's going to, if a mobile mechanic is not available in your area, then you're going to have to call a tow truck. Now, if you want, what I can do for you is I can connect you with a mobile mechanic that might be available in your area and recommend an automotive repair shop in your area that's Repair Pal certified.
I usually take it to a Mercedes dealer, and actually one Mercedes dealer over here, and they don't connect there anymore.
Do you need help locating a tow truck in your area?
What I've done in the past, I called them up, they came out and they jumped it, or they did, if it didn't jump, they towed it.
You could do that again.
Try that. Is there a charge for that?
I'm sure that they would charge unless you got AAA.
This was always covered under Mercedes. Like,
Oh, maybe. Unless maybe Mercedes has a service that does that for free. I'm not sure.
So I thought that was you. I'm sorry.
No, you've reached justanswer.com. We're not. This isn't Mercedes.
All right, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Good luck.
Thank you.